traders, my last NAS100 video, I'll just quickly refer to it. Have a look here at my post. If we go down, I was talking about a buy opportunity. There it is here. If we click that, and it was trending down, and I was looking for this to hit this level down in here, and we'll come back to that. And rally off that, and we got it. And this is the price action that I'm looking for. It's when it hits a level and ranges, and then we see volatility kick in, and then the break of structure. All right, so I'm going to be looking for a similar setup. Let me just clear all that with this one. But what I want to do is actually go out. We'll do another quick top down. Have a look at this, like from the monthly to start with. Okay, it's in a strong bullish trend. Big money is invested long. Monthly time frame, we've got a key level up here that is a potential target, but just be careful. We've got a wick and a wick above and below the current candle, the current month. All right, so just a quick top down. We'll go down to the weekly, and then I'm going to be looking for an opportunity on the lower time frame. So on the weekly, just notice that that's happening. Okay, so there's a bit of bearish activity going on here, guys. You want to be really careful. Now see how it's trending up into these highs here. Okay, it's taken out previous liquidity on the weekly time frame above this candle. Let's have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, you got to have a bit of a plan, and I'm always looking at this from the higher time frame down. We've got this distribution range. It's trading right into it. So this is trading into a big support zone. Resistance zone. So let's just grab that, throw it through the these levels, something like that. Do we get a couple of touches? It doesn't matter. It's close enough. All right, guys, I'd be careful up in here. Let's just have a look at, and the other thing you need to be mindful of, okay, 4-hour chart. This is trending really nicely. Look at that. I'll come back to this. Let's just have a look at the Forex factory. Okay, I've opened this up. So what we've got at the moment, we've got the World Economic Forum. This is going on all day. Expect volatility, and it's Monday. It's not a great day to be trading. Why I say that? Let me just draw my Monday and Tuesday, no, my Friday and Monday candle thing, right? Let's say it's bullish. All right, in a bullish trend, if it's going to continue bullish, okay, candle wicks, we'll just do that. Expect Friday, it's a bullish trend open. Well, open, I should say, down here, right? The low of the day, the high of the day, and then the pullback on the Friday, and then the Monday open and the pullback, right? And then possibly it continues north, right? But so you want to be really careful around this Friday and Monday price action. So let's just see what actually happened. Thursday, well, Friday it rallied. So what's the story? It rallied on Friday. We don't get the candle, but I mean, that's just something to be mindful of, guys. The market will generally run liquidity on Friday and Monday. So my question is that what's happening here? Is this going to be, let me just take out that diagonal, because I'm more interested in horizontals. I'm more interested in the liquidity that's sitting up in here, right? That's resting up. That's a liquidity pool, big time, right? We got buy stops sitting up in there that could be a target. So we'll just name it. See this candle here. This is the 4-hour. This is a bearish imbalance. So the market has traded back. It's rebalanced. It's hit all the liquidity that's sitting up under here. And my question is, today, do we see it? I mean, look, does it push up and then? I mean, I'm half expecting the reversal, guys. I really am, to be honest. up around this level here. Okay, so it could possibly pull up. In any case, from a like this 4-hour chart perspective, okay, swing low, swing high. See this previous swing. See the pullback. I'm always looking for the 50% pullback for an entry. Now, if it leaves me behind and doesn't pull back into this level, I'll let it go. So at the moment, if we look at this, like if you're even thinking of buying, it's got to come back into my zone before I will even consider getting involved with that long. Now, if it trades north from here, look, I'll be letting it go, guys, because look what we're trading into, all of this big liquidity up here. So I'm thinking that it might push up, and I'm half expecting, I really am, I'm half expecting, I don't know, that. It remains to be seen, right? So I think the way to approach it is on Monday, look, sit back, keep an eye on things. Let's see how things pan out with this WEF thing going on. And then, because we're going to see volatility, it's going to run stops. And then Tuesday, hopefully it settles into something, and then we might get our teeth into it, right? So coming back, look at this. Here, lower highs, lower lows, guys. That's bearish. All right. It's pushing up. Yeah, but, all right, big question. So my thing to you, my message to you today in this video is, guys, let's just hang back. I think that's a really good idea. See how things shape up. And I'm almost looking for this thing to rotate. We've got the President Trump about to take the reins. It's going to be a bit of a bumpy ride, I think, today and tomorrow. So yeah, take it easy. Don't trade. It's just as important. Not trading is as important as trading. You got to know when to sit back and take it easy. So that's my take. Just expect a possible pullback on this, I think, guys. And look, I'll follow up tomorrow. I'll be keeping a watch on this. As soon as a trade opportunity arises, I will definitely make some noise. But that's somewhere to land today, guys. There's nothing really setting up. This is where we're at. Let's see how things shape up. And I'll leave you with that. I'd love to hear your comments. What do you think? What are your thoughts on this? Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you on the next one.